Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jack with Stronghold Strength and Conditioning. And today we have another 10-minute full body workout for you. It's going to be 5 exercises, and when you're doing 10 reps on each exercise, complete as many rounds as you can in this 10 minutes. So it's continuously moving throughout the 10 minutes, but it's a quick one and it'll get the job done. But before we move on, make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below here so that you don't miss future workouts like this. Ready? Here we go. Alright, get ready. Remember, it's 10 reps per exercise, move on to the next. There will be a timer in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Ready? Starting with dive bombers. Push back into the hamstrings, lower the chest, and then swoop through triceps, reaching toward the floor, forearms reaching toward the floor, arching up, tight butt, stomach engaged. Good job. Next, we're moving into an archer push-up. Put the fingertips pointing away from one another with a wide position of the arms. Make sure your shoulder blades are rolled down and back, and you're pushing yourself away from one arm as you lower in toward the floor. Pressing back up and over to the other side, so think of creating an arc on these. Next, we're going to the active straight leg lower. We want the legs at 90 degrees at the hip, and a straight leg the whole way down. Tighten the glutes as you pull the leg to the floor, keeping the quads engaged the whole time. Always keep the low back flat to the mat. Great job. Now, bringing the feet down close to the glutes, doing a glute bridge march. Keep the glutes tight. We're trying to minimize any shift of the hips the whole time. The obliques are going to be engaged a little bit here as well. Keep the abs working. Shoulder blades pulled down and back into the floor. Very good. And now the last one on this, a speed skater. Jumping off from leg to leg, swinging the free leg behind the balance leg. Think opposite arm to leg to help counterbalance in this movement. If you're not quite keeping up with me, don't worry, go at your own pace. The whole goal is to do the best that you can for this 10 minutes. And we're back to the dive bombers for round 2. Great job. Archer push-up. Check in with those glutes and abs. Make sure you're flexing your butt, flexing your stomach here. The shoulder blades need to be down and back to make this one work, and you're keeping those elbows in toward the ribs, especially on the arm that's bending. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current. Back to the active straight leg lower. I wanna make shockwaves with you, and I know I'm only getting higher. Glute Bridge March. Once again, low back flat to the mat, drive up through the glutes, getting a nice tight flex. Shoulder blades rolling down and back, really opening the chest. And last exercise on this round, speed skater. We're at that halfway point right now, halfway.
Trying to step back and see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever.
And starting round 3, going back to those dive bombers.
Till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you.
Remember, continue to go at your own pace here. Don't worry about what exercise I'm on, just so you know what the next exercise is coming up. That's all I'm worried about. Do the 10 reps, focus on the form, move on to the next one. Keep going forward. And round 3 of the active straight leg lower. Once again, pull that low back flat to the mat. Feel the glutes squeeze as you draw the heel to the floor. Keep the leg from bending by flexing those quads. So it's quads and glutes, especially in that bottom position. Glute Bridge March. Ready? Get those hips up. We have 2.5 minutes left. Keep going strong. You're gonna get whatever you can in. Don't worry about what exercise you finish on. Just keep going. One minute left. Keep driving forward. Get whatever you can. Keep focusing on that form though, making sure that we're not just rushing through the reps, keeping strict solid form. Last 30 seconds, keep moving until you hear that buzzer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, guys. All done.
Alright, great job, guys. So that was a quick one for you. Should have got your heart rate up, should have you breathing pretty hard at this point. And hopefully you got more rounds than I did on that one. We want to thank you guys for watching today. Please make sure that you like the video or comment below. Let us know what the hardest exercise was, or if you have any specific questions about any of the exercises we did today. We'll put those in the comment section so that we can answer those for you, or maybe put out another video that'll help us make future content for you guys. Also, be sure, if you didn't before, subscribe down below so that you get more videos from us. We're going to be doing workouts, and we're also going to be doing informational videos 2 times a week, every week. Thank you guys again for following along. We'll see you next time.